surprise package in the mail today, and I was really excited when I got it. I wasn't expecting it. It's from Michelle, and I wanted to say thank you so much, Michelle. I got 2 more of these so that I can have my sprouts whenever things open up again and I can get some more. Well, get it open. See? I had 2, but I needed 4 because I have 4 wide mouth jars, and I'm really happy to get those. I got some True Lime crystals, and oh, they flavor your water so good. I got 100 packets, wow. And then I got these. It's the Heinz Sweet Relish. I use these because I don't have a refrigerator, I only have a freezer. And I got these. Oh, these are delicious. Duke's mayonnaise. Oh, wow. And it's one of the kinds that does not have the high fructose corn syrup in it. And that's why I like it. It's mostly just natural. And the thing that I was most excited about in this box is the Her box. Oh, wow. It's bouillon, sodium free, both of them, because I'm on a salt restricted diet. I've been wanting these so bad. Well, now I've got them, and I can't hardly wait to try them out. I've never had them before because I couldn't find them in the store. But now I've got them. I'm going to have some this evening for sure. And I'm excited about all of it, but this is fantastic. Thank you so much, Michelle.